Hi, this is Sue Ellen with Sue Ellen's Little Rose, and I'm going to show a couple of hairstyles that I've been showing at craft shows lately that I wanted to be able to share with people so they can remember how to do them when they get home. So the first thing I'm going to show is the easy twist that I do. It works for longer hair if you don't want to have the tail sticking out. So for my hair thickness, my hair is fluffy, but it's not super thick. So I use the I use the medium flexi clip for my full twist. So that's what I'm going to use right now. I start off with a low ponytail, and then I will use my right hand. I'm right-handed, so I will use my right hand to kind of loop the hair and then twist around. So there's my low ponytail. Take my finger, loop it, and twist around. You can see as I twist, that pulled the end of the hair up into it, and you can keep twisting until all those little tails are pulled in. And then the flexi clip is going to go up close to the top where I'm holding on to it. I'm holding on to it. You could put a claw clip further down because it's a longer clip, but since the flexi just covers this one little strip where the pin is, you need to be up close to the top. Go through the loop. And that's the easy, missed a piece, that's the easy twist. Of course, I would fix that piece before I went anywhere, but that would take place in my bathroom with an extra mirror. Another item that may take some getting used to is how to use our U-pins. This is our Swerve U-pin. This is a silver one. And this is one of our large geometric U-pins. This one is gold with the triangle at the top. So first I'll show you how to do the swerve in a bun. This was a regular circular bun with the hair going around. Now I'm going to take the U-pin, watch the direction that it's turned. I'm going to start with it turned up like a smile. U-pins make you happy. Catch a little bit of the hair on the edge, then touch the scalp, flip it over, and push it into the hairstyle. Now you can leave a little bit of the pin showing, as I did here, or watch as I push it in and it will start to disappear. Now the other type of U-pin, I'm going to demonstrate a twist. I'm going to do the same type of twist that I showed you with the flexi clip. I had my hair cut recently, so I have a little bit of short pieces that want to fall out. So let me show you how to use the large U-pin. Grab a piece of the hair along the top, touch the scalp with it, flip it over, push the U-pin back through. You can push it farther if you'd like, have it sticking out on both sides. And that's two simple, quick and easy hairstyles you can do with the large U-pins. I'm working on another video using the Swerve pin for my VIP customers. They have asked me to show how to do a ponytail with the Swerve U pin. So I've been practicing on that, trying to get it down before I make the video. You can shop online anytime at www.lillarose.biz/OneMothersLove, and that's all one word, OneMothersLove. I know it's long, but One Mother's Love will take you to me. So thanks for watching. I hope this helps. I will post links in the video description that you can go to find even more video tutorials or check out my YouTube. Thanks. Bye.